Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Atlas credit card. In order to do so, here we are at atlasfin.com. And what is Atlas all about? Well, it is credit made easy, 0% APR, high approval rates, safe spending limits that grow with you, save up to $850 every year on average, no credit history required. You can enter your phone number here and click Get Started. It is accepted by industry leading providers. The Atlas difference: traditional credit cards approve only 20% applicants without an existing credit history. Atlas has over 4 times higher approval rates and grows with you. Credit made easy. How it works: you can get approved in 2 minutes. Sign up and apply using the app. Enjoy swift approval and start your journey. It grows with you. Connect your bank. We'll offer a safe spending limit. No credit history needed. Limits grow over time and with usage. Automatically save more. Smart Pay ensures hassle-free balance management and build up savings with Smart Save, supporting both your budget and credit growth. Could build your credit. It reports to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. On average, members see a credit score increase of 50 points in the first year. With an integrated bundle, you get a full suite of premium services that includes a built-in subscription manager, deposit account with early paycheck access, and tax filing service included at no extra cost, all with simple bundled pricing of only $8.99 every 4 weeks or $89 in the annual plan. It's the card that keeps giving. With rewards program, it's designed to put money in your pocket while providing you access to a wide range of exclusive benefits. 5% cash back on subscription services, including Netflix, Hulu, and others. 100% cash back on lucky swipes. Cash back on daily essentials like gas, food, delivery, and cafes. 10% cash back when shopping at 50,000 stores like Target, Starbucks, and more. And you can download this on the App Store or on the Google Play Store as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in Cider AI, Cider is an extension that you can add to your Chrome browser, and you will have access to AI chatbot at your fingertips that you can ask questions of at any time. And also you have access to all of the major chatbots: Cider Fusion, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek. It's an amazing tool, an amazing way of being able to ask questions at any time and get responses from a variety of different chatbots so that you can compare. It's a great tool, and if you are interested, check out the link in the description. Click on that link and you would be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.